I am Pavel Zgaga, Professor of Philosophy of Education at the University of Ljubljana, Slovenia, and I am one of the partners on the UNIKE project. Our project is now coming to an end, and this is truly a sentimental moment. I have experienced many projects, and always again a sort of nostalgia appears at the end. I knew some of the partners in the project from before, and I met some just at the beginning. We have been a fantastic team, and I do hope that our cooperation will continue. Yet the crucial contribution to our dream team was made by 15 junior fellows, postdocs and PhD students, full of enthusiasm, research energy and willingness to work hard. Despite the fact that we have worked on 6 different universities in 5 different and even distant countries, we have become a firmly linked group that has worked together efficiently and achieved some really good results. Of course, the most important results are the dissertations of our PhD fellows. I was supervisor to 2 of them. One has successfully defended his thesis just in these days, while the other is successfully completing her dissertation, which will be hopefully submitted very soon. My supervision work differed from previous mainly in the fact that not only colleagues from my university were involved in the process. Cooperation in a highly international context offers a variety of research perspectives and greatly increases the necessary critical mass. I am very glad of that experience. The UNIKE project has been an essential support also to my own research. The title, Universities in the Knowledge Society, is the title that challenges many and various associations, not so rarely associations related to bright present and future of universities. Our purpose was, however, primarily to critically reflect on the present and future of universities from diverse perspectives. My earlier research work was largely on internationalization of higher education and within this context on contemporary reform of national higher education systems. In doing so, I came to the conclusion, like many other authors, that the ongoing process of transformation of the higher education landscape are certainly not simple, straight or unproblematic. On the contrary, while today's universities often successfully respond to the many challenges of a modern world, on the other hand, they are increasingly exposed to suspicious trends and various pressures that calls their traditionally accepted mission into sometimes very serious questions. One of the aspects that I have studied in the past is the so-called policy travel, or more specifically, the transfer of higher education policies from, as I call it, policy centers to policy peripheries. The so-called learning from good practice, so popular today, has unfortunately often proved to be a mechanical policy transfer, a transfer of recipes from those spaces which are perceived as world-class regions into those which may be called internationally invisible academic spaces. International cooperation, of course, is an excellent incentive for all universities in the world, but the policy transfer we are talking about can cause a lot of damage in local contexts, and we must be careful about that. This can, last but not least, for example, be also seen in the field of academic freedom which is one more of the topics in the forefront of my research interest. The internationalization of higher education hasn't contributed much to raising awareness about the importance of academic freedom, as well as to strengthen the tools and procedures related to promoting and defending academic freedom in local contexts. Therefore, the UNIKE project has been an important support and encouragement also for my future work in these areas. I would be really happy if a new follow-up project may arise on this basis.